Today we're going to go over email top level domain sign up restrictions. So, sign up restrictions are just simply a way to restrict access to a subscription service. On the Inhouz Cloud platform, we have internal services and external services. Internal services are just open to people within your organization, right? Those are really guarded to people who are already within the organization. Whereas, your external services are open to the general public. Anyone with internet access can pretty much sign up for your applications. Now, to go ahead and add specific restrictions to who can sign up, we have something called restriction policies. I'm going to jump into our support up subscription service. So this is an external service in the production environment connected to a web application called Support Me. To add an email top level domain restriction, all I need to do is go to the configurations and go to the restrictions tab and click on add. So over here we have email top level domain, and I'm just going to go ahead and add restriction. So what are we going to do here? So let's say we wanted to restrict this to just students, right? And a very, very popular email top level domain for students is edu. It's like a .edu email. So this, now makes it to where only people with a .edu email domain can have access, can sign up to this subscription service. So what if we wanted to be more specific, right? I just got done watching a social network. What if we wanted to, do it the way Mark Zuckerberg did it initially to say, okay, we only want harvard.edu. So I can just go ahead and add another restriction called email domain restriction and basically just put Harvard on there. So now only users with a harvard.edu domain email can actually sign up to this service. And now, if you expand to Stanford like they did in the movie, right? It's just as simple as that. Imagine if they had this all the way back in 2003, 6, whenever Facebook was created. All right. So this is just a very, very simple way of doing this on the Inhouz Cloud platform. It's very simple. All you need to do is go to the subscription service, go to the configurations, the restrictions tab, and you have a plethora of options. You can basically configure and restrict access based on an email domain and an email top level domain. This is all part of the Inhouz Cloud firewall module. All right, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.